Hey guys, in this video we'll see how to make a tasty snack that celebrates eggplants in a special way. Stuffed eggplant pockets. These are crispy on the outside and delicious and buttery on the inside. Let's start off by making the filling. Heat half a tablespoon of oil in a kadai. Add in 2 finely chopped carrots, about 80 grams. Saute until these are tender. Next, add in 1 small finely chopped onion and fry until they turn transparent and set aside. Next, in a mixing bowl, add in 250 grams of cooked and mashed potato, half a cup of cooked peas, add in the sauteed carrots and onion, one teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a little bit of salt, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar. Combine this well and set aside. Next, to make the coating batter, take half a cup of rice flour, half a cup of corn flour, and half a cup besan or chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Now add in 1 cup of water a little at a time and mix well until a smooth batter is formed. Set this aside. Next, take 1 large eggplant. This is around 200 grams. Cut off and discard the top and bottom. Now make a cut at 1/4 inch and cut until about a 1/4 inch from the end. Make another cut 1/4 inch away from this cut and cut through. This makes a pocket. Make more pockets in the same manner. Place the cut slices in water to avoid discoloring. Next, stuff each eggplant pocket with the filling mixture and smoothen out to remove excess. Next, dip the stuffed eggplants into the batter to make a thin and uniform coating. Fry in oil over medium heat. Flip and fry on both sides and remove when golden. While they are still hot, quickly flash fry these in hot oil to remove excess oil. Serve hot stuffed eggplant pockets with ketchup. Do try out this recipe and let us know your comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get notified on more such recipes. See you in the next one.